Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Lisa and I talk about skincare, especially for oily acne prone skin. I try out a lot of skincare products and share my experience with you guys. So guys, winter is here and I changed up my skincare routine a bit. Winter is all about hydration for me. So recently I started using this hyaluronic acid serum from Derma Essentia. This is Derma Essentia hyaluronic acid serum with Chronocardi Synhekin 4T for deep hydration that lasts up to 24 hours. It repairs skin barrier and protects our skin from pollution and UV ray. This is meant for all skin type. This is a 30 ml bottle retailing for 995 rupees. When we open it up, it comes in a compact packing and the product itself comes in a bottle with a pump. This nozzle is very efficient, pumps out the right amount of product that we need for our face. As you can see, the serum is a clear liquid. It's quite runny. Let me just quickly show you guys how I use it on my skin. I have cleansed my face with a very mild cleanser and I have applied a hydrating toner. Don't mind my acne and acne marks. They're just a part of my life now. I have very acne prone skin. I will take around 3 to 4 pumps of this serum on my palm. And I will apply it to my face directly. I will press the serum to my skin. Do not rub the serum on your face like you would massage a cream or a moisturizer. This is a serum. Press it to your skin very gently. It feels so good, guys. I can instantly feel my skin hydrating. I will take few drops for my neck also. We always forget to hydrate our neck. It is also very important. I will wait just few minutes before applying my moisturizer. So this serum gets absorbed into my skin almost instantly. It takes hardly 20 to 30 seconds, but I wait for around a minute or so before applying my moisturizer after this serum. This hyaluronic acid is really very soothing and very comfortable to use on my skin. This does not clog my pore at all and does not make my skin feel like oily or greasy at all. It deeply hydrates my skin and keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day and throughout the night. Very efficient and very useful in this winter actually. It makes my skin feel very soft and very smooth and very supple. But the best part about this serum is the ingredient list. This serum has 4 forms of HA that actually helps our skin by providing the required hydration and also repairs our skin and protects the integrity of our skin and the structure of our skin. These hyaluronic acid enter deep layers of our skin, attracts moisture and reduces inflammation. It is actually excellent for reducing dryness and wrinkles. It also contains Chronocardi from Chardonnay Farms of Japan that helps to balance the skin rhythm. I am actually loving this serum for my skin. I believe this serum will be beneficial for anyone suffering from dryness. This product is available on Derma Essensia's official website. I will put all the details about Derma Essensia and this hyaluronic acid in my description box. I will also put the purchasing link in my description box. Do not forget to check it. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys next week with something new, something different. Until then, take care. Bye bye.